Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Haggard. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After weeks of little sleep and constant stress, she appeared haggard, with dark circles under her eyes and a drawn expression on her face. Haggard describes a person who looks exhausted and worn out, often with a tired and gaunt appearance due to physical or emotional strain. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.